Simulan mo sa pangarap ang iyong ngingiti. Mula sa tono. Simulan mo. Minimiti, pangarap? Hindi nasa isip. Hindi nasa isip ka. Simulan mo sa pangarap. Tapos basta. Anyong minimiti. Simulan mo sa iyong pangarap mo. Simulan mo.
Hindi ako okay.
Ronnie, ulitin mo nga yun.
Bahala. Hayaan mo. May biyahan sa simula.
Okay. It's not the loudness. Okay, pakinggan nyo. It's like a ribbon that's coming out from your mouth. Continue siya, walang buhol. And then, if you're out of breath, quick breath without collapsing. Kasi ang nangyayari pag gumaganyan, nagko-collapse lang. Diba binanggit na namin sa inyo yan? Okay, so quick lang. Okay? Pakinggan nyo yung sound ninyo. Let's continue. Concentrate, ha? It's important that you learn how to breathe properly because you will use this not just in singing, even in talking or dancing. Okay? Mabuduran, ha? Very good. With actual words. Get out forward. Mga bubulog, lumalabas ako. Good. Lip trill. Listen to your high, middle. Okay. Too big. There are 12 dozens, huh? 12 dozens, not 1 dozen, huh? Of chewing gum inside your mouth. Chew! Achoo! Come on.
Dalawa.
Tubig. Oh. Come on, do it. Open your mouth. Stick out your tongue. Stick out your tongue. Open your eyes, ears. Come on. And other side. Other side. And head rotation. Ano mo na? Front, middle, and back. Okay? Dahan-dahan ha, baka may mabali dyan. Okay. Down. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and up. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and up. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and up. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and down. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And side to the right. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Let's forget the breathing, ah. Ayun. And forward. Okay. Okay. Breathe in, breathe out. Breathe in, breathe out. Okay. And down, 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 down. Okay. Down, inhale. Inhale down, exhale. Inhale. Put it up first, then last ang head. Okay? Okay? Okay, drop, drop. Drop. Drop.